Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to download Envato Elements. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first thing here is you can open your browser and go to envato.com. You can simply log in or sign up with your email address or your Google account is what I'm doing here. And in order for you to be able to download the Envato elements, they actually offer free files every month for you to download here on Envato. So these are mixtures of music, photos, and a lot more that you can take advantage here. But if you want to access unlimited elements here, you can subscribe here on Envato where it's 16 $16.50 per month. But what you can do here is you can actually just go to more's or more, and then you hover on more on this side here, and then just go to free files, and then there you will be able to see monthly free files, and these are actually the ones shown here on the bottom of your home screen. So you can simply just click on the download icon here, and then that file will be uploaded into your computer since this is just for free. And that's basically how you will be able to download Envato Elements. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.